Hi, ignore my face. I am again very sick. But this is a farewell vlog, and as I promised, while we hit 500, we're gonna finally, I'm gonna upload the farewell vlog, and we have finally hit 500. Thank you, everybody who followed 500. Can be a small number for a lot of people, but not for me. I'm really thankful to everybody जिन्होंने follow किया, and yeah, so here you go. You have your farewell vlog. So the farewell vlog starts from me going to my designer. I already had a Pinterest picture which I wanted as मेरे सूट का डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए because मुझे सूट का कपड़ा मिला था which was मेरी नानी से गिफ्ट था, so that is why. But honestly she nailed it, she nailed what I wanted because मेरा उससे पहले already बहुत स्कैम हो चुका था कपड़ों को लेके, जो कि there's the whole story on my Instagram. So I had the design. This is what I wanted. But when I went there and I told her my design for the fitting and everything, when she was taking my measurements, she said कि हम bell sleeves नहीं कर सकते because कपड़ा कम है, and also वो कपड़ा ऐसा है कि उसका धागा को कुछ हो जाएगा, blah blah blah. And then she said that we cannot also make the suit का जो shirt है उसका bottom we cannot make it round. So I was pretty disappointed on what I was having, but मैंने कहा ठीक है, इसका नीचे वाला कढ़ाई निकाल के आर्म्स पे लगा दो, ऐसा कर दो वैसा कर दो. So that was purely my idea and she just agreed to it. And हम वो फिटिंग लेके आ गए, just praying to the gods that it'll be something that I want. I will have to really ignore my face right now. I just woke up. But my piercing. So the next morning, I woke up with a piercing infection, which was in my upper piercings, which I had no idea of कि ये क्यों हुआ, but it was a mess and I was devastated. So then I went on to cleaning the piercing with Dettol, उसे properly साफ किया and थोड़ा coconut oil वगैरह लगाया, hoping that that will eventually heal the piercing, and it kind of did. So आज हम जा रहे हैं to get some jewelry for my outfit because मेरे पास oxidized झुमके हैं. I want to add some color, something different that I have not worn before. So we're gonna go get some earrings, maybe a ring, maybe. I know for a fact that she ain't gonna buy a ring at least. Something, a bracelet, I don't know, whatever I find. That and some other essentials. Let's go. मैंने अंकल को फ़ोटो दिखाया ऑफ सूट था मेरा, in which he said कि इस पे तो वेस्टर्न जाएंगे earrings, and he started showing us these western earrings.
इंडियन वाले भी एक बार रेट तो ज़्यादा ही है वैसे. मेरा मन तो इंडियन करना ही है.
But of course मेरे को पता था मुझे क्या चाहिए and it wasn't fitting my taste. So मैंने अंकल को मना करा and हम जो है वो oxidized earring के sections में चले गए. So then I liked this particular piece, peacock वाला, but मुझे ये थोड़ा सा doubt था कि वो बहुत heavy हो जाएगा, बहुत over लगेगा. But then I thought to myself that everyone at the festival is gonna be over. So what I'm doing is just the tip of the iceberg. Anyways, then हमने bangles देखी, which was not in the plan really, but मेरी mummy wanted to explore a little bit, and we actually find a very cute सा set of bangles, which I got. And of course, I didn't got the ring as usual. I knew myself. Also because I've already lived that moment, but I know myself. I'm gonna have. So then everything was going fun, prepping, but then this happened. And मुझे बुखार हो गया out of nowhere. Hopefully अगर ठीक हो जाता है तो ये सही से I can like celebrate farewell and also bye जैसे दे सकते हैं. But something or the other has to mess things up every time. Today we are in the fitting room क्योंकि मुझे better लग रहा था. I wasn't really sick, fever इतना नहीं था. So then we went for the fitting and I liked what I was seeing in the mirror, and that really calmed me down a little bit because I was really anxious कि वो जो भी उन्होंने बोला कि ये नहीं हो सकता है उसके बाद वो कैसा रहेगा. But it kind of nailed what I wanted. So I'm gonna do my nails right now. This is a very woman exclusive content, so तुम skip कर सकते हो अगर तुम नहीं हो. Of course, I have hair. Okay, hair. I have to shave my arms अभी भी, but I'll do that tomorrow. तो बस अभी के लिए I'm just gonna use. I show you what I used to shave actually. Not just my face, but also, yeah, this thing actually is very nice because कटवट नहीं बैठते. पर खुद ज़्यादा नहीं ऐसे एकदम, चलो हो जाती हैं, अक्सर चीज़ें इंसानों से ही होती हैं. Then I realized कि actually मेरे यहाँ 3 जगहों पे cuts हैं, क्योंकि मेरा confidence तो आसमान में होता है. And I was bleeding actually from all 3 of the cuts. People who know me would relate. हाथ अच्छे करने जाते हैं, स्वाहा हो जाता है उसका. चलो चिंता मत करो, कल तक ठीक हो जाएगा. कि इसको ऐसे ब्यूटीफाई कर देंगे इस एरिया को. चलो. हाँ हाँ, जल गया जल गया जल गया जल गया. ओहो, ऐसा कभी हुआ है लैब? मैंने जो सोचा वही हो जाए, हो जाता अगर तो मुझे थोड़ी सी शक होता अपनी किस्मत पे, पर अब ठीक है सब कुछ. ये बड़ा वाला जो औजार होता है, खड़ जाओ तो मैं चला के दिखाऊंगा. खून अभी भी नहीं रुक रहा है गाइस. इसके बैंडेड के अंदर से खून निकल रहा है. इसको मेरे लैपटॉप पे, ये देखा, इसके नीचे वैसे वो ऐसा ग्लू को क्या करते हैं, क्योर करवाते हैं. देन आई हैव ये वाली ग्लू जो लकड़ी चिपकाने के लिए. इवन दो मेरे को नेल सैलून ने खुद से ग्लू दी है ये वाली, बट इसके साथ मेरे बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस रह चुके हैं, इसलिए मैं उनकी एडवाइस नहीं मानने वाला, क्योंकि आई लाइक टू सी माई सेल्फ स्ट्रगल. देन दीज आर द नेल्स, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी डिम्योर. इस पर वो भी है क्रोम, जो मैंने स्पेशली, मेरा खून निकल रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. मैं तुम्हें सीधा नेल लगाने के बाद ही दिखाते हैं, बिकॉज then the next day we went to get my eyebrows done, so I look more like a human. And right now if you think I don't, that is because उसको करवाए हुए कुछ टाइम हो चुका है. Okay, so it's one day before farewell, and आज we are gonna do a little bit of grooming session. Today I got my eyebrows done, and abhi I'm gonna get a haircut because this is a very bad situation. So I have to get a hair wash and a haircut done. I'm trying to change something, and और क्या करवाना था मुझे? नहीं, और कुछ नहीं करना है. बाकी खुद का स्किन केयर मैंने खुद ही कर लेना है, खुद का मेकअप मैंने खुद ही कर लेना है. Then as the past me already told you, I was in the salon chair, जिसके साथ मेरे दर्शन बहुत कम होते हैं because I rarely get a haircut done, and this haircut was a very very drastic change. Something that I've never gotten before. Okay, so then it's finally the farewell day. जिसकी morning थोड़ी सी happy वाली नहीं थी, थोड़ी dull वाली थी. Okay, so आज है farewell, and I'm on my period right now. I was really sick few days ago. I have a bad throat, so nothing right now is really helping my case. But still sipping on hot water. Hopefully, मेरा गला थोड़ा better रहे आज, because it keeps on hurting, and I still have a lot of cramps, which is not gonna be really helpful to sort of enjoy the moment. But I'm still gonna try to make it my best because this is the only chance I have, and that's it. Okay. लाइट क्यों नहीं है मेरे मुंह पे? हाँ, so now I'm gonna go and start getting ready. I will not shoot the entire process of getting ready here क्योंकि बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. I'm gonna do it for my Instagram reels, and then I'll be back once I'm ready. I still am a little guilty because I actually haven't edited the get ready with me wale parts for my Instagram, because that will probably come in 2 to 3 parts. वो बहुत लंबी है. That is because I was sick. मेरे boards आ रहे हैं and I'm also lazy. So, but that'll be up soon. After this, but that'll be up soon. Okay, I'm almost ready. पीछे वॉशिंग मशीन चल रही है तो इसको इग्नोर कर दो, क्योंकि तुम्हारे घर पे नहीं चलती क्या? I have suddenly started feeling very, very, very dizzy because of my cramps. Nauseous during this moment, which you will probably see in the Get Ready With Me Well videos, because I got that on camera. Not that I, like other creators, switch on the camera while I'm not feeling well. It's just that it happened while I was recording. Okay, and it is not helping me at all, क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब सा लग रहा है. ओ, इसके मुझे लगता है आई लुक लाइक अमृता राव फ्रॉम विवाह. चल लेंगे. Okay. No, this looks good. I feel like I'm choking myself, but I wanted to take it like this only. Okay. Now I'm gonna go shoot some reels and then be back. I hope you can hear me. Okay, we're back home. And if you're thinking कि background में मेरे कुछ ना कुछ चलता ही रहता, चलता ही रहता, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती इसके बारे में. But I literally forgot to vlog anything at the farewell. मेरे स्कूल ज़्यादा कुछ करता भी नहीं है, so that is also one of the excuses for not recording much. Because I just wanted to enjoy that moment. We were indeed enjoying the moment. There was so much happening. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया, but specifically for my YouTube I recorded nothing, absolutely not a very good YouTuber quality, but I think I'm not even up there yet. But there's a lot of content that I'm going to post on my Instagram, and वैसे honestly मैंने काफ़ी हद तक ऑलरेडी पोस्ट कर दिया होगा. This is going to be the बहुत ही बाद में आने वाला vlog, but yeah, so that was travel. It was amazing. I loved what I wore. I loved how I looked. I'm so happy that I got a farewell. बाकी farewell कैसी थी वो मैं नहीं बताना चाहूँगा, but it was fun. And yeah, that was it. Many things went as planned, many things weren't. Many things were somewhere disappointing, many things were surprising. Actually, surprising wala part kam tha, but I feel that this is something that I will remember for life. And more than just posting content on social media, I feel like I'm just making these docs, I'm making this diaries, virtual diaries that I will look back at and laugh at. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I will meet you in another one. Till then, bye bye, and take care of your health. अगर तुम्हारे पे बोर्ड आ रहे हैं, नहीं भी आ रहे तो भी करो, but अगर आ रहे हैं तो crucially करो.